We are Job Air Technic, European leading supplier of maintenance and repair services for commercial airlines. Established in 1993 and located at Ostrava International Airport in the heart of Europe. We provide a wide range of services. Our composite modern shop is equipped with 2 lacquering cabins, 2 drying boxes and production of floor panels. Our specialists from NDT shop perform non-destructive testing using special methods like ultrasonic testing, ultrasonic phased array, capillary method and many more. Since 2021 we have extended our capability of battery shop. Servicing aircraft NECAD batteries including a capacity check, deep cycle temperature probe test or complete overhaul. We have 2 hangars for the maintenance of either 2 wide-body or 8 narrow-body aircraft at the same time. Our single-span hangars boast a surface of 17,235 square meters. In interior shop, we are able to respond to our customers' more complex requirements with 2 cleaning boxes for interior parts. We also specialize in upholstery and whole cabin modification. Sheet metal shop performs structural inspection or structural repairs. We offer maintenance of Boeing 737, A320, CO, NEO and A330. We can change the CFM, V2500, PW or LEAP engines, and we also provide borescope inspection. Another one of our crucial departments is engineering, taking charge of aircraft weighing, aircraft conversion, end of lease and redelivery support. We coordinate all the material required during the ground time of an aircraft, including material provided by the customer. We provide loans of equipment for the A320 family and Boeing 737 CLNG. Our training department provides training courses to our employees as well as to third-party organizations. We can conduct these either in their facilities or at Job Air Technic Training Center. We are a maintenance organization approved by EASA, FAA Part 145 and Part 147. We are also holders of AS 9100:D and EN ISO 14001:2015 certificates. We are members of the Industrial Czechoslovak Group and its division CSG Aerospace. Job Air Technic, your MRO provider.